Here we're looking at a couple of wheels from a Honda 50, a step through I think these came from, and the owner's rebuilt the wheels, but he's asked me to true them up, so I've just finished doing that and I've set a few things up ready for us to take a look. And let's start off with the string line across the rim. Now bear in mind that the hub flanges where the spokes fit through are of equal sizes and diameters, both sides on both wheels, so that tells me that the centre of the rim wants to be in line with the centre of the hub, so we're looking for an equal distance between the rim or string line and edge of the flange. So bringing the camera down there, hopefully it'll demonstrate that we're probably about a quarter of an inch proud. That flange of the hub is probably about a quarter of an inch proud of the edge of the rim there. And if I take the string underneath, hopefully I can do this. Fiddle. We're looking pretty much the same there. So I've got the rim on the centre line of the hub, so that'll do nicely. I'll take this string line off now. And next up, I'll give the wheel a bit of a spin. I've got the dial gauge there set up to show any radial run out on the rim, and one rotation of the face of that clock by the hand equates to a millimetre, and each division is 0.1 of a millimetre. So let's give it a spin. Well, even if we include a little blip where it actually goes up to 3/4 of a millimetre, the blip is where the ends of the rim are welded together, so you always get a blip. We've got a maximum there of 3/4 of a millimetre run out, so that's fine. There we are, spinning nice and freely and truly. One last thing is, let's play some music. There's 18 spokes on a side. It's a 36 spoke wheel, so let's play the notes. "18 there. 18 there. They all seem to be playing pretty much the same note well, to me anyway, although I lack musical talent. I'd say they're all playing pretty much the same note. It sounds good enough to me. Right, we'll get that wheel out. I'll set the camera up there, just rest it there a minute, and put the other wheel in and take a look at that. That's the rear wheel, and now we'll take a look at the front wheel. In there, and I'll just get my string line on it, and whether I can see. Just going to leave the camera there while I set this up. There we are. Right, let's take a look at this one. We've got the front wheel here now, and again, as I've already said, the hub and the rim, the centre line of the rim should coincide with the centre line of the hub. So let's see how much hub we've got, the flange rather. If we look at the flange of the hub against the string and against the rim, we can see what we got there. And now we take it underneath, and we can see that we're looking at pretty much the same there, so that's good. So I've got the rim centred up with the centre of the hub. Get the string line off now, and let's check the old radial run out on this one. And we're within half a millimetre of radial run out there. That's very acceptable. camera down again at the moment. Set the dial gauge up to read any side to side run out that we may have. Let's take a look at that. Apart from the little blip which takes us just over it, otherwise we're within half a millimetre on the side to side there. So that's quite acceptable as well. Spin there, that's good. And lastly, play the music, 18 notes a side. $18. $18 there, so that's 36 spokes all sounding pretty much the same to me. So they're good to go now, and the owner can come and pick these up and put his tyres and stuff on and stick them back on his bike. Job done.